Well, today on Rock's Car Shop, we got new carpet in the C10. Now we've got to prep our holes for our seat belts and our seat. So I've already started. I've got this one here, and I've got that one there. So I'm going to show you how to do this, the best way to do this, and the easiest way to do this for a factory type of installation. So let's start down here. First thing you do, jack the vehicle up. I got a flag here and I've made it into a sharp point. Just old landscaping flag. So we'll get underneath the truck. Now we're looking for the seatbelt holes, and right there is one of them. So we take the flag about center away of the seatbelt hole, and we stick it through. Just like that. Okay? Now, get back out from underneath the truck. Wife's already heating up the punch. You're gonna need a punch like this and a little portable torch. You want it good and hot so it'll melt the carpet. Anyway, right there is the wire sticking up. So we'll drop it down a little bit, like so. You can barely see it. Okay? I think it's warm enough. All right, take these vice grips. See that wire right there? And just waller around. Burn that carpet around there so you got a good bolt to go through. And now you can see light through there. So we're gonna repeat that. Borrow that. Get back down here again. There's a hole we just did. You can see some of the boom mat came through it. So we got another one right here. It's another seatbelt hole. We'll go about middle ways. Stick it right up in there. Okay. See, I got the flag stuck up in the hole. Oh, get back out. While she's getting it hot, we'll find our wire, and right there it is. See it right there? We'll push it on down to where it's barely sticking out. Right there, see that? I think she's got it hot enough now. Okay. Come back in here and we'll find our wire. You can see it right there. So we'll put the end of punch on the wire. Burn around it. And there we go. There's our seatbelt hole. Seatbelt hole right here. Burn that carpet a little bit more. Got that hole there. That's for the seat. Got this hole here for the seat. Okay. Now we gotta go to the other side and do that seat. Thank you. And the seats are not too bad because they're on this side of the frame rail. Oh, get down here where I can see. Now this one might be a little bit more harder because the fuel tank is in the way. So we won't be able to see these at all. Huh. Well, we ain't gonna be able to see. Hey Val, we're not gonna be able to see these holes because the fuel tank is in the way. We might have to just poke a wire down in that carpet until we can find it. So we look at where about that one right there was. Right there. Oh. We know this one's about right here, so they gotta be about in line with each other. We can see the outline of that. Where the seat would go. Oh. Where's the hole at? Maybe right there. Let's try right here. I'm feeling around, see if I can feel it catch. Right there. There it is. So it's literally like right there. I felt the hole. Right there it is. That's right there. Thought I poked that a while ago. Okay, so it's right there. It's right there. Okay, let's heat it up and we'll go ahead and melt this one. Let's see. Let's set you
Okay, here.
right there. Okay. Let's see if we can do this. There it is. There it is. All right, so we got that one. Now, if we do a straight line here, from there to there, our other one should be right in here somewhere. Let me see if I can poke around and find it.
This one's more so in the middle. Where was that one?
That look like I'm in the right spot? Maybe not. Do they look like they're in line with each other right there?
Yeah, pretty much.
So if they're in line with each other, hard to be right here. Oh, I think I found it. Is that it? I don't know if that's it or not. What makes it more difficult is I've got that 3/4 inch boom mat underneath this carpet. I can't tell. This one here may have to wait till I get the seat installed to be able to know where this hole is. Maybe right there. Looks like it right there. So maybe if I stick it right there, it should find it. Just not having any luck with this one. Well, it looks like it's pretty much in line with each other. There's something there. That's it right there. Okay, I guess heat it up, I guess. Looks like I made an angle there. Try this one. Yeah, that's it right there. Okay. What we'll have to do is get it hot, and then we'll pull this out, and then we'll melt around that right there, and see if we can find that hole. But yeah, see how nice that turned out. So now my bolt will go in there, and whoop, no problemo. Set you guys right there so you can see this once it gets good and hot. Main thing is don't touch the hot part. Just don't touch the hot part. It'll burn you. Sounds like she's still got it cooking. All right, here we go. Pass it along to me here. Here we go. Rock and roll. Go ahead and pull it out like that. Burned a little bit too much on that one, babe. There you go. Ain't nothing can't be fixed though. You'll never see it anyway. Pinch it together a little bit while it's still hot. It'll seal itself together. Just like that, and there's the hole. Alrighty, so that's how we do it. Oh, now we're gonna put the seatbelt thing in, so let's go get them. Okay. We have got hardware right here. And seatbelts. Pretty sure this one goes right here, like that. And the other one goes on the other side. That would be your center and your driver's side. Oh, like that. Now we gotta figure out what bolts we got. So 4 of these for the seat. These right here would be, that's the 2 oddballs. Those 4 for the seat, and this will be for the seat belt. Now let's see what size socket it is. Huh. 21 millimeter. Okay, get the impact. Babe, pull me down some air hose, please. And we'll climb up in here. Oh, get that out the way. Get that out the way. We'll start with the driver's side first. Get the bolt started in there. And put the socket on there. Okay. Let's see here. We'll just let me try this one here. Put the socket on. Make sure it's in tied up mode. Slide it down in there. Okay, that one's gonna get this guy in. Put on low speed. Medium speed, baby. Be the seat belts. Now all we're waiting on is the seat. Okay. Till we get the seat back, we're ready. That'll be all, folks.